Hello. My name is Richard Reichenbach. I'm a K-8 RT teacher from RSC 74 in Northampton. I'd like to thank the Perlos and KVCC for all of this. This is awesome. And I've taken a couple classes with Steve, and I highly recommend them. This summer, I love to do a lot of fishing. And I was wondering, can I make a lure? So I tried it, a lot of failure and all that. I came up with some of my basic designs. I tried a bunch of different things, and my first lure I made, they work. Caught a lot of fish. I caught bass, I caught pike, chub, perch, all kinds of things. So this year I thought with the 3D club, with the 3D printing, I do it from K-8. I would start an after-school fishing club, and we make some lures. And that was a huge success. I got a donation of fly tying stuff, and we make small bass plugs, and we make all kinds of lures. And then the kids started to come up with their own designs. And what I teach them to do is to look at other designs and borrow, because that's where creativity comes from. And my students, they came up with a bunch of neat ideas, and I don't want to steal their thunder, but they have a display over there and they're in the competition. One thing I'd like to talk about too that really encompasses all this: who wants superpowers? Anybody? Who wants a superpower? Guess what? You do have them. You have 3. This is what I teach my students. The first one is curiosity. The second one is imagination. And the third one is creativity. That's what this is all about. With those 3 things, we have moved mountains, we've gone to the bottom of the ocean, we've gone to the moon, we fly, we go faster than any animal, we're stronger. Because that's the foundation of everything which we make. It's what brought this building, what brings our clothes. It's what makes better fishing lures, how we catch fish. I mean, we can't jump in the water and catch fish with our hands, right? We can't go and catch tuna out the ocean with our hands. We take those 3 superpowers and we come up with ideas. And sorry. Those 3 things no other creature on this planet has. And we probably would not exist without them. And I encourage my kids to work through the failure. My students came up with a lot of mistakes on their lures, things that didn't work right. And like all of us, they go, it doesn't work, and they start complaining. And I say, how many planes crashed before the first one flew? Guess what? You're still alive. So that's, for me as a art teacher, what I focus on. It's the foundation of everything we create, everything we do, from fishing lures to spaceships. And I brought my tackle box, and I'll be in the room. I'll show you all my lures. I made all different kinds here, from lazy ice. I experiment with a different color filament. I fill them with BBs to rattle. And you know the best part about these? Cost. These things cost pennies to make. Who fishes here? How many people fish? What's a good lure cost? $10. I can probably make 50 or more of these on a spool of filament, and that spool cost me $20, and I get the wire and the hooks. And I've even made the hook guards and all that stuff. So that's one of the benefits, cost, and you can change them up, and it's the satisfaction of making your own. I will never buy a lure again. I make the beads, I make everything. I will never purchase a lure. And our goal in our school, with our club, is to start a business and we want to start to sell these, and they'll be half of what we paid for. So, and this plastic, it's PLA. It's biodegradable. So if you lose a lure, I mean, it's not going to be quick. It takes time, but it's not like leaving regular plastic. And I think the positive thing with 3D printing, and what I tell all my kids, it's how we can bring our manufacturing back to Maine. I mean, my kids are manufacturing lures that are made in China. They're made at CCS. And go take a look at their lures, you'll be impressed. Now, thank you.